She's big girl
Mom.
now.
Just say look at the Raiders.
Tingnan. Say hi guys.
Look at the Raiders.
Smile, Zoe. Smile.
Hi.
Hi, cutie pie. Smile to them. Say hi. Hi guys. Kagigis.
Look at this Raider.
I need to put back this one now because
Oh, sorry.
I need to put back this one now because we're not using this one. You look funny, buddy.
You're a shirtless Raider. And
Raiders,
shoeless and shirtless.
Raiders are supposed to have no shoes and shirt.
They are?
There are
I
not
didn't know.
supposed to.
I haven't met many Raiders in my life, so I didn't know what they were supposed to wear. I didn't know.
I'm a Fallout Raider, so I don't wear a shirt.
Yeah, I need to sit down.
I'm a Raider.
What do Raiders do?
You're funny, buddy.
Fight other people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And what? Steal their stuff. Wow, that was cool. You're funny. Don't hit Zoe, please.
Yeah, that's a
That was
toy,
cool.
guys.
You just
It's not
did
a real.
That was cool what you
Sword.
did when you cross the swords like that, and then awesome.
Chop the chicken in the kitchen.
John, you ever pretend you're chopping broccoli? Chopping broccoli.
Chop the
Chopping
chicken in the
broccoli.
kitchen.
What else can you do with those swords? Can you use them as stilts? You know what stilts are when you walk around with these really big poles? What about crutches? Can you pretend they're crutches? Can you walk like an old man? Like pretend they're canes and I like the knees. The knees are funny.
I could do a cool archer.
And they're crutches. Can you walk like an old man? Like pretend they're canes and I like the knees. The knees are funny.
I could do a cool archer.
There, like that up.
Christmas is coming!
Christmas is coming.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
One more.
Mom.
Yeah, do it, Jen.
I like how nervous your legs are. Very nervous.
Oh, did you all of it?
Are you ready for Christmas?
Hi! Christmas is coming!
Malapit na ang Pasko. There, like that up.
Christmas is coming!
Christmas is coming.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
One more. Hi guys! Gagawa pa ako ng arroz caldo dahil maulan ang panahon. I'm gonna make arroz caldo and this is my ingredients, guys. Chicken, glutinous rice, boiled egg, lemon, string onion, ginger, garlic, fish sauce, and chicken cubes. And oil. First I gonna put the oil. Dahil maulan ang panahon, guys, kaya gagawa po ako ng arroz caldo. And then I put the chicken first. Daddy, sorry, soon is gonna be splash this one. Oh no? Not splash. Not splash. Chicken first. It's optional. This is optional. It's either the put first or garlic or chicken, but I need to put chicken first. I try.
WAN1.
Okay. Short shout out to Juan Valenzuela and to Ate Edith Di Alba and to her husband. I forgot Ate Edith's husband's name.
Oh no.
Hi Ate Edith. Thank you for always watching, te. I'm making Arroz Caldo. Let it cook. Let it cook. Guys, malapit na ang Christmas, guys. Pasko, guys. Bigaya na ng mga regalo, mga ninang. Tago na. Tago na. Godmother. Try, start to hide now because you know that. It's just joke. It's joke. Salamat ako kasi malayo ako sa mga inaanak ko. Joke lang. I'm thankful because I'm part of my grand.
How old are we? We have grandchildren now.
Joke lang guys, joke lang.
Because we feel old now, it's like grandchildren.
Grandchildren.
Johnny
Marami na
said,
akong utang sa mga inaanak ko guys. I have a lot of credit. I have a lot of credit to all of my
I mean, you're giving
inaanak.
credit.
Inaanak. It means because I'm a godmother.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's what you meant about hiding.
Yeah.
You're going into hiding now.
Start to hide now, guys. Of the
Because how many presents would you need to purchase? Like
I think I
100?
have a lot. It's like 25, 27.
Oh wow.
Yeah, 27.
That's too much. No one can
Yeah.
have 27, you know.
Yeah, coworkers, you know, I have thousands of coworkers.
I mean, but if you were a real godmother, that's too many children.
Right,
you know,
right.
It's too...
Dad,
I
look
know.
at my weird dance.
I need to add my ginger. Sorry, guys.
Be ready,
Ginger.
guys. This is the dangerous part. We're adding some danger now.
No, ginger. Look at the ginger. Nag-whistle na guys ang mantika. So it's busy right now. Okay, Daddy, and then I need to add a fish sauce. It's called patis in Tagalog, in Bisaya, in Ilonggo, Ilocano is patis. At saka, ihalo ko na ang aking chicken cubes. At saka, ang aking glutinous rice. I use the glutinous rice, guys, because it's good if glutinous rice than the regular rice. It's more tasty.
Maybe it absorbs the flavors better.
I think because of the stickiness,
Uh-huh.
sticky part. Okay. Gisa-gisahin ko muna to habang gisa-gisahin, halo-haloin ko muna. Gisa-gisahin. Haloin ko muna and then I'm gonna add the water. 6 cups of water, guys, because soon it's gonna be absorbed. What's called is that? The water
Boil away.
boil away and it's gonna be absorb the water going down. Going down.
Going down.
Going down. It's like elevator, guys, going down.
Yeah, we went to the beach and the elevator kept telling us going down.
Going
Going
down.
down.
Okay,
We heard that.
and then
I heard that like 1 million, billion, trillion billion
I
times.
need to add asin. Asin, it's called asin.
Yeah.
Salt. Salt. I need to add asin. 1 teaspoon of asin. Okay. And let it cook 10 to 15 minutes at 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Ooh,
Yeah.
more.
Babalik ako, punta mo na akong Quiapo. Okay guys, I'll be back at
Yeah. What?
I gonna check
A little bit higher heat than
15 minutes.
normal?
Yeah, higher heat and in the middle of the I gonna what's called adjust medium heat.
Oh, now
Yeah, high
you're
heat
gonna adjust,
high heat first.
and then
Okay.
later you'll adjust.
Adjust, yeah,
Okay.
if
It
the
smells so bad.
the fish sauce.
The fish
It's okay,
sauce
Jan, but
and the
soon.
ginger.
Soon after this one, Jan, is more. This good. I know you like it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys.
Thank you so much, Mommy. See you soon,
See
Mommy.
you soon, guys.
For the rest of the cook.
Okay, let it relax first. Okay guys, ito na guys, 15 minutes na siya. Look at this one. It's a little bit. Let's go yeah. It's 15 minutes now. Okay, and then I gonna put in here in the bowl. Masarap to kasi umuulan. Umuulan. Nag-snow sa labas. Nag-snow outside, Daddy. And
What, Mommy?
I thought it's snowy outside. There's it is possible.
Well, we're probably gonna have some snowflakes, but it won't stick to the ground or stick to the road or anything. So,
Okay.
but if you're outside, you can watch this. Well, I mean, it'll be dark.
It's
but
dark.
if you're outside and have a bright light, maybe you can see some snow.
But it's dark. But I think in the post there we can see a little bit, I think.
Maybe,
Okay.
but it's gonna happen at 9 or 9:30.
Right. And then look at this one, guys. I need to put a garnish egg. Did you see the chicken on there? Because this one is Arroz Caldo. I need to add Arroz Caldo with egg. I need to add egg. Egg, Daddy, boiled egg, I mean. Look at this one. Pretty. Look at this one, guys. And I need to add a string onion. String onion. And
Smells
then
so good, honey.
garlic. Fried garlic. This garlic I buy at Asian market. Garlic. Fried garlic, I mean. And then that tastes good. The favorite part is the squeeze of lemon.
Doesn't matter if lime or lemon.
Because we have no lemon, we have lime only. That
Squeeze of citrus.
citrus, yeah. And then Scott and John is gonna be try this one soon, but it's a little bit hot right now. Yeah, see guys, it's easy to make. It's just 15 minutes.
Good job. Smells great.
Smells great, huh? Yeah, it's optional lang ito, guys. If you no egg is fine, but much better if you have egg. Maraming laman. Yeah, looks good, huh? Yeah, it's really. I hope you like this video, guys.
So
Okay,
good,
Daddy,
man.
try, Daddy.
Oh
How it is like.
It's perfect. Out of 10, it's perfect 10.
Oh, thank you so much, Daddy.
I like the flavor.
How about the chicken? Yeah.
The best part is the garlic. I love the garlic.
Yeah,
in
the
there.
fried garlic. John,
Very
you wanna
good.
try, John?
No, ma'am.
Let me try the egg now.
Thank you so much, Daddy, for trying.
It's delicious, honey.
Thank you so much.
Very good. It's a little bit hot, but I can still
Yeah, it's hot because fresh.
I can still tolerate.
Good job, Daddy. Thank you so much for trying hard.
No, it's very delicious.
I know because you doesn't like the patis. The patis,
But
sauce.
it's very minimal.
Right. It's not fully patis.
It's
But
not overpowering.
Hi, John. Ulitaw ka na, John.
I can eat this one.
Yeah, you can eat that one. It's for you.
I actually look like a
John is
giraffe.
teenager na, guys. So, ulitaw na. Malapit na maging binata
because
si John.
I'm 13 years old.
No, you're not
Yes,
13
I
yet.
am.
You're 13. You're smart like a 13-year-old.
Thank you so much, Daddy, for
It's
trying the
delicious,
Arroz
honey,
Caldo.
really.
Yeah. And also, if the
Perfect 10.
weather is cold, it's good.
Right,
Yeah.
right. And the weather is cold.
The weather really cold
Weather else is
outside,
warm.
guys. Thank you so much for trying the Arroz Caldo. John, what's your drink, buddy? Grapes?
Juice cocktail.
Mommy.
Okay, see, bye, guys.
Mommy, you need to open a restaurant. I'm not joking. It is.
One day, if we move in Philippines, we open a restaurant. I like simple restaurant, like poor can afford to, to pay the
What do you
food.
want? What do you want the name to be?
I like name to be what's called?
Wonder Mother.
Lizzie's Lick It.
What
This is
about
lick it.
What about Lizzie's Cafe?
Oh Yeah, that's good. That's a nice
Lizzie's
Lizzie's
Cafe.
Cafe, and anyone can afford the
gone.
food. It's
It was
gone.
like 3 minutes and gone. So good.
I like cheap only, and everyone can afford.
Mhm. Yeah, don't need fancy.
Yeah, and I like bottomless drinks.
Right.
Yeah.
Because Mallory is fancy now.
Mallory.
Okay, see, bye na. Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Thank you for watching. We love all our viewers.
Thank you,
Bye.
everyone.
Dad, do you like
Bye.
my black hat?
We love it.
You look
It
great, buddy.
says sweet.
No, no,
Mhm.
don't.
Hey, say hi guys. Tingnan niyo ako guys, oh. Naglalaro na ako mag-isa guys. Kahit wala si Kuya. Si Kuya nasa school ngayon. Darating na siya maya-maya. Kasama si Lula. Kasama si Lula. Darating na si Kuya at saka si Lula. Si Lula ang nagsundo kay Kuya. Dahil si Mami hindi marunong mag-drive. Yeah. Hi, Miss Zoe. Subukan namin magluto ng lugaw, guys, kasi umuulan dito. Magluto kami ni Zoe ng Arroz Caldo maya-maya pagdating ni Daddy. Pagdating ni Daddy galing sa trabaho, magluto kami ng lugaw. Tsaka. Tingnan mo ang laway. Ang laway, tumutulo ang laway. Ah! Tumutulo ang laway ni Zoe. Zoe! Hello, cutie pie! Hello, cutie pie! Ba? Ba? Ang ganda ng ngiti ng batang ito. Ang ganda ng ngiti ni Zoe, guys, oh. Zoe, can you show your beautiful eyes? Beautiful eyes? Can you show your beautiful eyes? See na? Beautiful eyes. Ah, how about your clothes open? Aba. Tingnan mo ang ngiti ni Zoe kahit maraming laway. Oh, maganda pa rin kahit naglaway. Maganda pa rin kahit maraming laway. Tumutulo ang maraming laway. Ba? Tumutulo ang maraming laway ni Zoe. Oh, nagngipin na kasi si Zoe. Maagang nagngipin si Zoe. Ba? Red. Ang blue. Chika. Tingnan mo ang mga ngiti ng baby na ito. Tingnan mo ang ngiti ng baby na ito, oh. Blue. Ang ganda ng ngiti ng babyng ito. Ang ganda ng ngiti ng batang ito. Zoe. Hi, Miss Cutie Pie. Hi, Miss Zoe. Hello, Cutie Pie. Hey, what are you doing? Hi, Miss Zoe. Ba. Ay, sumahal si Chi.